In a world without modern gear, medieval people relied on clever, accessible survival tactics, many of which we can still use today. From fire-making and herbal medicine to shelter and tool-making, they survived harsh conditions with resourcefulness we can learn from. Before matches or lighters, people used flint and steel to spark fires. By striking steel against flint, tiny sparks would ignite finely prepared tinder, often made from processed char cloth or dry bark. Medieval travelers carried a trusty axe, versatile for chopping wood, preparing game, clearing brush, and even protection. This single tool was essential for shelter, warmth, and food prep. Monastery gardens weren't just for decoration. They grew herbs like sage, rosemary, and poppy, used to treat wounds, headaches, or sleeplessness. Monks even combined folk wisdom and scientific botany to create powerful remedies. Early surgeons like Hugh of Lucca used wine as a crude antiseptic, rinsing wounds and soaking gauze to prevent infection. A simple yet effective solution centuries before modern medicine. Need rope? Peel inner bark from trees like willow or nettle. Twist thin strips together to form strong cordage. Perfect for binds, traps, and gear repair. Medieval medicine used harsh practices like bloodletting and cauterization, heating metal rods to seal wounds. While crude, these methods sometimes saved lives by stopping bleeding or preventing serious infections. Wood and foliage were the building blocks of desert shelters, lean-tos just like those built by peasants and soldiers. Layering branches, thatch, and earth could create a warm, waterproof refuge in minutes. These medieval survival techniques, fire-making, herbal medicine, tool crafting, and makeshift shelters, were born out of necessity. Rooted in resourcefulness, they still hold value today. Want more ancient survival wisdom? Subscribe and explore history's hidden skills that helped shape human resilience. Let me know your favorite technique below.